today's video, we are going to be unboxing our September Bella Skin box. You guys know this has been one of my absolute favorite self-care subscriptions, and we're gonna unbox it today. I'll give you guys a little bit more information a little bit later in the video, as well as there is a sale going on with Bella Skincare, so I'll talk to you guys about that as well. So if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so a little information about the Bella Skin box. It is $35 per month and shipping is free. You will receive about $100 or close to $150 worth of goodies in here. Each Bella Skin box is filled with cruelty-free skincare products and beauty tools. We will bring you a variety of different brands each month with full-size products to help you discover the many ways you can enhance your skincare regimen. You guys, like I said in the beginning of in the intro, I have fallen in love with this subscription. Like I told you guys in the past, this is great for gifts, and there is a sale that is going to be going on, and I want to go ahead and pull that information up. She says September 25th, they will be having a huge fall sale. She'll have items from past boxes, also new items as well, and make sure to check your inbox if you are a current subscriber, because we will be sending sale emails and newsletters to everybody. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. And like I said, September 25th, mark your calendars. So let's go ahead and jump into this box. I have not peeked. Oh my gosh, I think my HelloFresh is here and I'm so excited. FedEx just stopped. Do I need to pause it? Hold please. I think my HelloFresh is here. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Guys, well, it was a false alarm. My HelloFresh is coming today. But apparently it's coming by UPS and not FedEx. And by the way, you guys have been giving me like tips and recipes from HelloFresh, like this meal's amazing, this meal's amazing. You guys have not steered me wrong yet. They have been absolutely amazing. Like this, I'm gonna sidetrack for a second because welcome to my non-professional channel. But I have to say, this, getting the HelloFresh, this will be, I think, our third week, and we have had yet to have a bad meal. It has just been delicious, like absolutely delicious, and honestly less stress on me to try and like meal plan everything out. You know, I just meal plan on HelloFresh and then they have to take care of it and then they just deliver it. It has been amazing. I'm not sponsored, but oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, we get ours and the kids have loved it, and I'm like, yes, every Tuesday it shows up and I'm a happy mom. So anyways, let's go back to this, because then I can take a little bit more time to myself and do a little self-care. So jumping right into the, oh my god, how precious is that? Okay, so they did it again when it came to the packaging. I'm enjoying this. We got a cute little bag in here. I love the black and the pink. I think it's just so nice. And it's like a nice canvas bag. It's not one of those chintzy ones. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, this is really nice. It's a large size. Ooh, and it's lined. So you don't have to worry about if makeup happens to spill out. It's not going to bleed through. And it's got a nice zipper, so that's really cool. Okay, so you're always going to get a little postcard in here. The postcard tells you about all the information that you will be receiving in here, and it does look like, I believe this was, okay, so this is the Soon Skincare Lips Makeup Bag. It does have a retail value of $16. It says, take your glow on the road. The beauty bag was designed to hold all of your products from face masks to eye patches and fits neatly in purses and backpacks. The additional portability add in headphones, lip gloss, skincare essentials, and feel prepared for anything. So I think this is a really cute bag, like very cute. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is the Marley Sofia Refresh Clay Mask, and this is what it looks like. It's in a nice little container, and it's actually like a powder. And I like these because you end up making the consistency of what you want. So it says this mask is filled with antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, beneficial for acne, eczema, psoriasis, and itchy skin. I love that because, as you guys know, your girl's been loving her Kit Kats and Reese Cups a little too much, and so it causes flare-ups on my skin. I end up with cystic acne. It's a real big pain in the butt. I'm 42 years old and still suffer with adult acne. Rude. Anyways, no parabens, phthalates, preservatives. It's no gluten or dyes, never tested on animals. And all you have to do is, it says, add a half a teaspoon of clay into the liquid of your choice. You could do water, yogurt, avocado, raw honey until the paste and consistency is achieved. Apply to face and neck area, let it dry, rinse with warm water. I enjoy these a lot. Actually, Kathleen Lights got me onto these kind of powder type of clay masks, and they are very, very good, especially like it says, if you have acne problems. So a little information about this. Like I said, it's by Marley Sofia Naturals. It's the Refresh Clay Mask, and it does have a retail value of $20. So, sorry if I'm off, guys. I am so exhausted. Haley did my hair last night, and because I don't know what's wrong with me. I think that I can like stay up like a rock star, like I'm, you know, 18 again, and go to bed at like 1:30 in the morning, get back up at 7 and think I can function. I cannot at all. Okay. Anyways, ooh, the next item, this is so funny because I was needing this. This is by Soon, and this is the Soon Skincare Peony Foot Mask 5-pack. It does have a retail value of $45. Hydrate and soothe feet without stopping your day. Ease to use booties. Use an inner layer to infuse feet with serum, while outer layer allows for walking and treating feet at the same time. Peony extract penetrates even the most weathered cracked feet and deeply nourished tough dry skin. Okay, so that's what I was wanting. I've got one of those foot masks where it like shreds your feet kind of thing, you know what I'm saying, where like over the course of however many days your feet like whatever. Then I was like, ooh, I need something to go in there and then like moisturize my feet after like you have your summer feet. So this is awesome. You do get a pack of 5 in here, and yay, this is awesome. Okay, so the next item, oh, I love this brand. They actually were in this box before. It was their cleansing oil, which is amazing. This is the Tropical Natural Skin and Hair Sealant. So this is what the box looks like, and again, like I said, this brand has been in boxes in the past, and I really, really enjoy it. It's very natural. So this does look like it has a little pump. It is some sort of serum. It says shake well before each use. Apply desired amount of product, starting with 1 pump, and rub onto freshly washed hair, avoiding the roots, and comb through. And I am very happy to get that because, you know, I just did my hair, so I want all the hydration possible. So let me give you guys a retail value on this. This does have a retail value of $37, and it just says use daily to refresh style, tame frizz, use sparingly. A little does go a long way. If you feel 1 pump was not enough, once hair is dry, increase the amount slowly. Add comb through until you feel you've reached your desired look and feel. So super excited about that. And I actually see one more item in here. This is by Beauty Nest, Pump Me Up Clarifying Face Serum. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like. Apparently my camera is tired too, and it's taking forever to focus. They're so driving me crazy. This is a clarifying face serum that does have a retail value of $25. The clarifying serum is designed for all skin types. It soothes and calms skin while feeding the skin a DMAE. firming, anti-aging, organic aloe antioxidants, vitamin E and B3, MSM brightening, and hyaluronic acid that helps to maintain or retain moisture, as well as tea tree oil, which is an antibacterial, organic green rooibos, I think is how you say it, and white teas act as a powerful antioxidant. I love this. I absolutely, you know who else I feel like would really love this box? Is my sister-in-law. She is all about completely 100% natural skincare, hair care, everything, all organics. Some stuff she even makes herself. So think about that special someone in your life as well. I mean, I think this box is wonderful. I enjoy it. I use everything every single month that comes in here. But like I always tell you guys, these are great gifts. And you're not like locked into a contract. You can do month to month, or you can just send this off as a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, anniversary gift, husbands, boyfriends, whatever, girlfriends. This is an amazing box. Now, retail value of everything in here did come to $143, and like I said, the box is $35 and it does include shipping. So everything you see here is everything you will get for your $35. And do I think it's worth it? Like I told you guys, I started kind of looking at it as, okay, you pay $35, are you getting your $35 worth? And for me personally, I definitely feel like you are for the $35. Everything in here definitely works for me. There are going to be things that I can use, and you know, even if something, you know, because it's not common to like everything in your subscription, but I wouldn't mind gifting any of these products either. So, you know, $35 and you're getting like a 5-pack of foot masks, you're getting hair, you're multi-use items here. You know what I mean? These aren't like deluxe size samples. These are multi-use items. So mother-in-laws, all of that, I think everybody would enjoy this. Like I told you guys, bride-to-bees, I think would love this box. So anyways, guys, that is everything in today's box. I think I have a coupon off your first box. If so, I will have it linked down below for you guys. Like I said, September 25th, a huge fall sale at Bella's Skin Box, so definitely be on the lookout for that. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Have you guys signed up? Have you been receiving the Bella Skin Box as well? Do you love it as much as I do? Because your girl really loves it. I love bath time. It is my serenity time, my calm down time, my relaxation time, my face mask time. I like to pamper myself. What can I say? So anyways, guys, $35, definitely feel like it's worth it. So let me know down below you guys' thoughts. Don't forget there is still a giveaway going on, and if you guys didn't catch my last video or earlier in the week video, this is actually a dress, and it is from Glitzy Girls Boutique. It's like the nice cozy, like soft buttery t-shirt type of material. I love it. That's why I haven't changed out of it. It is nice and cozy. It's also in regular sizes and curvy girl sizes, so I will leave it down below for you guys. I am obsessed with that boutique. And if you guys have any other recommendations for other small boutiques out there, let me know down below, because I love to support small business owners. So I love to hear you guys' feedback on where you guys are shopping, because I'm all about embracing these curves right now. And I mean, just because I'm curvy doesn't mean I can't dress cute. You know what I mean? Let's embrace it. So anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!